What if you had approximately $32,000 in your hands right now? Would you let it sit in a savings account that offers virtually no interest, gamble it all in the unpredictable Bitcoin market, or invest it in cutting-edge technology that could earn you as much as $2,500 every year? The answer could lie in Tesla's revolutionary 2025 Model Y Juniper, which is about to be launched at an incredibly affordable price in just 2 weeks. The 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper could be exactly what you need to turn your money into a continuous source of savings and profits. With this game-changing vehicle, every dollar you invest could earn you even more in the long run. Ready to discover how Tesla is making electric vehicle EV ownership not only more sustainable but financially smart? Let's break down the numbers and see how this investment can pay for itself. Just like how an electric vehicle needs a full charge to travel the distance, Tesla's hub needs you to hit the next milestone by subscribing. By subscribing, you're helping fuel the future of technology and innovation. You're joining the journey and helping us reach 4,957 subscribers. Together, we can drive progress and move forward toward a better future. Regarding Tesla's vehicle business, the company remains on track to deliver more affordable models starting in the first half of 2025. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, has consistently emphasized that cost is not optional. It's a necessity for many people. Making cars more affordable is crucial, and it's clear that Tesla is committed to this goal. True to his word in earnings calls, Elon is preparing to unveil the new EV, the Model Y Juniper. Now, let's put your guess to the test. You have just 5 seconds to guess the price of the next Model Y Juniper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. The 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper is set to disrupt the EV market with a significantly reduced price, making advanced technology and sustainability more accessible than ever before. The Model Y Juniper is expected to be priced as low as $31,500, an astonishingly low price for such a high-quality EV. When you compare it to the current Model Y, which is listed on Tesla's website for between $31,900 and $37,900 under Section 30D of the Internal Revenue Code, further bringing the price down. This could make the Model Y Juniper even more affordable. How is all of this possible? The secret behind this pricing strategy lies in Tesla's advanced production methods. Streamlined manufacturing techniques, including automation and sophisticated assembly lines, allow Tesla to produce vehicles more efficiently and at a faster pace. This reduces reliance on manual labor and lowers operational costs. By using robots and cutting-edge systems, Tesla can scale production quickly, minimize errors, and increase throughput, all of which ultimately reduce per-unit costs. This approach allows Tesla to bring down the price of the Model Y Juniper without compromising its performance or sustainability. The Model Y Juniper will be primarily produced at Tesla's Gigafactory in Shanghai, which has ramped up production of this particular model to 200 units per day. The factory is nearing full operation and is expected to significantly increase output in the coming months. Once it reaches full capacity, Gigafactory Shanghai will be able to produce up to 950,000 vehicles annually, which will include both the Model Y and Model 3 vehicles. This would equate to approximately 1,370 vehicles per day. In fact, the production process has been so overwhelming that Tesla has run into logistical challenges. There haven't been enough boats, trains, or car carriers to keep up with the demand. Despite these challenges, the company is addressing them to smooth out the delivery process. The Gigafactory in Shanghai is expected to reach full capacity soon, and once it does, it will be able to produce even more vehicles, further driving down production costs. In addition to increasing output, another key element in reducing the cost of the Model Y Juniper is Tesla's new battery technology. The Model Y Juniper will feature the innovative 4,680 battery cells, which represent a significant upgrade over the older 2,170 cells used in previous models. These new cells are designed to optimize material usage by incorporating a higher percentage of silicon in the anode and reducing the amount of cobalt in the cathode. This design not only makes the batteries more affordable, but also maintains high levels of performance. Tesla has stated that the 4,680 cells are 56% cheaper per kilowatt-hour compared to the older 2,170 cells. This could save up to $5,500 per battery pack. As production ramps up at Tesla's Gigafactory, Texas, the company expects to reduce battery costs by an additional 30% per kilowatt-hour, further lowering overall production costs. Now, you might be wondering where the earning potential of up to $2,500 annually comes into play. If you're living in California, the state offers various incentives and rebates for electric vehicle owners. These financial incentives are designed to help offset the cost of purchasing an EV. By taking advantage of these programs, Model Y Juniper owners could potentially earn back up to $2,500 each year through rebates and incentives. This could be another way that the Model Y not only saves you money on fuel and maintenance, but also provides a steady income stream through these state-level programs. With the 2025 Model Y Juniper, you're not just buying an electric vehicle. You're making a smart financial decision. Tesla's reduced price, combined with the cost-saving benefits of its cutting-edge manufacturing processes and innovative battery technology, makes the Model Y Juniper a vehicle that pays for itself. Whether you're looking to save money on fuel, benefit from tax incentives, or earn additional rebates, the Model Y offers a level of financial savvy that no other EV on the market can match. So the question is, are you ready to make the future your reality and secure an investment that continues to pay off year after year? If that's the case, you're in luck. By breaking down the numbers, I've got the calculations all figured out for you. But if you happen to be living in a different state, don't stress. Grab your calculator, and let's crunch the numbers together. EVs generally cost about $330 per year for maintenance, whereas gas-powered cars usually run between $800 and $1,100 annually for upkeep. This means you're saving around $500 to $700 each year on maintenance costs alone. When it comes to charging an EV, it typically costs about 4 cents to 6 cents per mile. In contrast, gas vehicles cost around 12 cents to 15 cents per mile. Over the course of 15,000 miles, that amounts to a savings between $1,200 and $1,650 just on fuel. In California, EV owners can get a clean air vehicle decal for $22, which gives them unlimited access to high-occupancy vehicle lanes that would otherwise cost up to $200 for gas-powered cars. When you add all these combined savings, you could be looking at up to $2,500 in annual savings, which makes owning an EV a savvy, cost-effective choice. When it comes to aesthetics and comfort, Tesla's Model Y Juniper strikes a balance with economy. The vehicle blends iconic Tesla elements with modern design enhancements. While it unmistakably retains Tesla's signature design, the Juniper brings in fresh, updated features for improved aerodynamics and overall style. The vehicle carries over many characteristics from the Model 3 Highland, including the graceful arc-shaped roofline, a stubby tail, and its smooth side panels. Yet it also introduces refinements, such as a more aerodynamic rear spoiler that reduces drag by 3% to 5% compared to the current Model Y. The sharp, athletic body panels designed to optimize airflow contribute to a wider, more dynamic stance. The updated front bumper, likely incorporating angled air intakes, could also increase cooling efficiency by up to 10%. Additional details, such as optimized rear-view mirrors and camera bumpers, might extend the range by 10 to 12 miles. The Juniper is expected to further improve its drag coefficient, building on the Model 3's achievement, reducing it from 0.23 to an impressive 0.219. As for the lighting on the Tesla Model Y, it makes a bold statement. The full-width LED light bar and the rear Tesla wordmark are inspired by futuristic design elements. The split front matrix LED projectors and adaptive headlights elevate the car's sleek, high-tech aesthetic, blending style and function. This design doesn't just push the limits of automotive lighting, but also brings to mind the sense of cutting-edge technology and speed, reminiscent of the sleek vehicles seen in the movie Tron Legacy. Now, let's dive into what's waiting inside the vehicle. Tesla is taking the Juniper's interior experience to the next level with advanced RGB technology, offering customizable ambient lighting throughout the cabin, transforming it into a more refined and immersive environment. One of the standout features in the Juniper is the addition of ventilated seats and an upgraded rear passenger display. The seats are made with softer vegan leather, complete with fine stitching and integrated high-end temperature control for maximum comfort and luxury. As for the rear passenger display, it is set to grow in size from 7.2 inches to 8 inches, enhancing the in-car experience for passengers during the journey. Have any movies in mind to stream on that 8-inch screen while heading to your next picnic? Share your favorite pick with us. So what about the range and speed? Are they affected by the astonishingly lower price? Here's where the Juniper takes another leap forward. Featuring an advanced battery system that enables faster charging times and significantly extended driving range, the Juniper is anticipated to outperform the current long-range, 330 miles, and performance, 303 miles models. It could also charge at rates of up to 250 kilowatts or even higher, allowing it to regain around 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes at a supercharger. This would come alongside impressive acceleration capabilities, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of approximately 4.8 seconds. The Juniper model is expected to offer remarkable range. So, have you planned your next adventure after a full charge? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. The roads are calling. As technology continues to evolve, it is certainly no exaggeration to say that Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving (FSD) system in the Juniper model set a new benchmark for tech-focused automobiles entering the market. With cutting-edge AI technology, these features are designed to enhance both safety and driving comfort. Significant improvements in the Juniper's self-driving system include a more advanced lane-keeping feature, ensuring the vehicle remains centered in its lane even on winding or poorly marked roads. The adaptive cruise control has also been made more responsive, automatically adjusting the vehicle's speed based on real-time traffic conditions and maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles. Furthermore, the predictive obstacle detection system has been improved to detect potential hazards sooner, allowing the vehicle to make preemptive adjustments before danger becomes imminent. With the autopilot system activated, the journey to destinations like the Grand Canyon will be smoother, safer, and effortless.